Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing of this Vivo Y12G latest smartphone from the brand called Vivo, and also I will be showing you that what are the box contents that you will be getting inside the box itself and what are the specifications and all those things I will be showing you in this video. And this one is the 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage variant. As you can see here, this one is black in color, and also you will be getting another blue type of color also. Vivo will be providing you for this particular model, and so this one is the black in color. And also I will be showing you the box contents and everything I will be showing you in this video. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so now let's first start unboxing it. As you can see that this comes in this kind of white colored box. As you can see here some branding is done, and also at the back side you will be getting this kind of options are also provided. I have also provided the purchase link in the description box down below. You can directly go and purchase it from there. So let's start unboxing it. So let me open it first, and also let me start unboxing it. And okay, so this is how the box looks like from inside, and let me see what else we get inside the box. Inside the box we get this kind of silicone type case, that is the TPU case, and these are some of the paperworks, I think. Let me show you once. And okay, so let me keep it aside. And so this is also a SIM ejector tool which they also provide you inside the box itself. And so this is the SIM ejector tool, as you can see here. And let me keep it aside. And these are some of the paperworks and the quick startup guides which you, if you want, you can read as well. And these is some of the paperworks. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and so let me keep it aside for now. And this is the case itself. It also provides you this kind of TPU case inside the box. Let me keep it aside for now, and let me see the main device. Okay, so this is the main device. As you can see here, it comes with this kind of glossy type texture design at the back side of it. Also you will be getting the headphone jack as well, and also a fingerprint sensor is also provided at the side of this device. It comes in this kind of dual camera setup. It comes with this dual camera setup basically, and at the front also you will be getting a good front camera as well. And so let me power it on. And here, as you can see, that these are some of the rest of the items that you will be getting inside the box, that is the charger and a data cable, but no earphones are provided this time. And okay, so this is how the device actually looks like. Okay, so let me first set up it once. Okay, so let's start. So let me quickly set it up first before showing you some of the features. Okay, so now it's done. And so this is how the device actually looks like, and it is very much lightweight. And let us first check the camera first. Okay, so let me take a snapshot of this box. Okay, so let me take the snapshot. Okay, so it's done, and let me show you the image. Okay, so as you can see that the picture quality of this device is very much great. I will be showing you some of the more samples later on in my review video if I do one. And so this is some of the features. You will also be getting the portrait mode as well, and all other modes are also there. I will be discussing later on in the review video of this particular device. And also let us check the settings once. And here in the settings also you will be getting some of the additional features. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the device name, as you can see here, and Y12G. This is the latest device. It comes with the Android 11 out of the box, which is a very good thing, I must say, because it comes with the Android 11. And also when I am holding this device on my hands, I will be surely assuring you that this is definitely a very much premium device from the price point that Vivo offers you, and the device almost looks very much premium and also lightweight. The fingerprint scanner, as you can see, that it is provided at the side, that is with the power button itself, and here you will be getting the headphone jack, and also the volume rockers are also provided here, and it also comes with this kind of dual camera setup, and the backside is a little type of glossy, so I would rather recommend you to install a case. Basically, that is this case you can definitely go with, and also it comes with a pre-applied screen protector itself, so you don't need to purchase a separate one for the device, so it will do the work. And this is the case. Let me put it inside the case and let me show you the okay. So this is how it actually looks like, but when you install the case itself, the look is somewhat gone, because it looks very much premium when you are not using it with a case basically, but overall it looks very much premium. Let me show you that also it comes with the 5000 mAh battery and also supports fast charging, and it is not C-type because it is not comes with the normal charger that we used to buy previously. It doesn't support C-type charging, that is the C-type cable is not supported. And so this is all for this video. I will be soon be posting a review video, and so you please subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next one.
Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of Vivo smartphones for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.